Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need a compatible iPhone and supported headphones. Once paired, start now. First, make sure Bluetooth is on and your AirPods are connected. Then open Control Center and long press the volume tile to reveal spatial audio controls. Tap Spatialize Stereo or Spatial Audio to toggle it on. This activates the processing that places sound around you. You're doing this to get immersive directionality for movies and music, so make sure the status shows active before moving to the next steps. Once spatial audio appears active, go to Settings and tap Bluetooth, then the info icon next to your headphones. You'll find the spatial audio toggle there. Enable it and then choose Head Tracking Behavior. Automatic follows your head. Fixed keeps a stable soundstage. Make sure headphone accommodations are off unless you want EQ changes. To verify the setting, play a supported Dolby Atmos or spatial audio track and move your head. You should notice sound position shift, which confirms the processing is working. Finish by using Control Center for quick checks and toggles during playback. That helps confirm behavior in real time. If spatial audio isn't working, make sure your iPhone and headphones are updated to the latest firmware and iOS. Restart both devices, then reconnect. One key troubleshooting tip: reset your AirPods or headphones and repair them. This often clears pairing glitches that block spatial audio. If problems persist, try another compatible iPhone to isolate whether it's the phone or the headphones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.